Hello,
Teacher,
what's your name?
is my Viết Trung.
Viết Trung. Nice to meet you, Viết Trung. How old are you?
Is chick.
You're 6 years old?
Yes.
Wow, awesome. Yeah. And where do you live?
No.
Where do you live, Trung? You live in Hanoi or you live in Ho Chi Minh City?
Hanoi.
You live in Hanoi. Nice. That's great. Awesome. I want to ask you about food. What food do you like?
Dinner.
What food do you like? Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you like pizza. Do you like hamburger? Oh, you love hamburger. I love it too. Is this yummy? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, good job. And about the family, do you have sister?
Yeah.
Oh, your sister. Do you have brother?
No.
Oh, no, brother. And how many people are they in the family? How many
Oh,
people are they? Four peoples? Can you lead it? Four people is
me.
me and
Father.
father and
Mother.
mother and
Sister.
oh, okay, that's great. Excellent. And now let's start with this content for you, this step for you. Vitung, are you ready?
Yes.
Well done. Can you tell me the name of the story? The name of the story is
Dinner.
who am
I.
Who am I? That's right. Let's go. First one, I wanna you read this paragraph, and you have 1 minute to read it. We do? Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
Dinner is insect. She lives in the park. She has. She is green. He has his name. Is there.
Thank you. Okay, awesome. And now let's move on to mini story with you. Yechung, are you ready?
Yes.
Eat insects. Mm. Do Tina eat chicken? Do Tina eat mouse?
No.
Do Tina eat insects?
Yes.
Who ate insects?
Tina.
Tina, what does Tina eat?
Insects.
Who eat insects?
Tina.
Who is Tina? Who is Tina? The chicken or is the frog?
The frog.
So smart. Tina is the frog. And is Tina black?
No.
Is Tina green?
Yes.
Wow. What color is Tina?
Green.
Green. That's right. And Han. So she can be scary. Hannah is more. Is Hannah big?
No.
Is Hannah beautiful?
No.
Is Hannah small?
Yes.
Who is small?
Hannah.
Wow, Hannah. How is Hannah? How is Hannah?
Ma.
Yes, Hannah is small. That's right. And who is Hannah? Who is Hannah? Hannah scary. And who is Hannah? Hannah is mosquito or Hannah is spider.
Spider.
Yes, Hannah is spider. That's right. And what can Hannah do? What can Hannah do?
Sure.
Scary. Yes, Hannah's scary. That's right. And that's enough about this tip for you. Thank you so much, and say goodbye.
Bye.